you to hear what she says.
Okay, wait, push what?
It's on her hand.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute, I gotta put her up like this.
But if you sit her on her booty, she sits up and kind of her legs hang over. Yeah, like that.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. Yeah. No snow. Let's go now.
I thought that was really cute for you.
Thank you so much. Ain't this pretty?
Yeah.
Look at she's so pretty too.